Want to use call screening on iOS 26? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily use it and enable it. Start by heading over to the settings of a device. Make sure that you are using the updated version of software iOS 26. If not, head over to General and then move into Software Update and then update your device to latest version. Once done, scroll all the way down to the bottom and then head over to Apps. In the space, search for the application Phone and then click on it. Once you have landed on the space, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you should see the option of call screening. Click on it and then toggle on the button at the top right corner of the screen. Once the call screening feature has been enabled, it will help you filter or manage incoming calls before you decide to answer. Instead of picking up every call, you can see who's calling, sometimes even what they are saying, and then choose whether to answer, ignore, or block the caller. This will also enable the privacy, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.